On the 1,000-acre Rose Garland site near Wellingtonbridge, County Wexford, over 30,000 enthusiasts brave the rain and mud to watch the 20th World Ploughing Contest. There are tractors and champion ploughmen from all over the world. But Kenya withdrew at the last moment because of an entry from Rhodesia, here with a British passport. Competing countries include Spain, West Germany, Australia, the United States, Denmark and many others. It looks like a lot of free ploughing by some of the best ploughmen in the world, but the wealthy owner of the 400-acre site says he's running at a loss. Sweden and West Germany are in close competition. One of two competitors from Great Britain, John Milnes of Newchapel Farm, Penistone, Yorkshire. A contestant from Ireland, ploughing up points on home ground. But the Finnish ploughman, Paavo Tuominen, ploughs ahead to establish himself as champion ploughman of the world, 3 points ahead of Irish challenger John Treacy of Garryhill, County Carlow. After the contest, the Bishop of Ferns, the Most Reverend Dr. Donald Herlihy, and Dr. J.W. Armstrong, Church of Ireland Bishop of Waterford, Ross and Lismore, unveil and bless the cairn of peace, to plough the way to world understanding.